Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how my garden went from this to this. Okay, hopefully you can see the difference because I didn't really take a video of the before. I'm not like an avid, is that the word, avid player of Grow a Garden. I actually just do this for tutorials only. So obviously I'm not very like into that much. As you can see, like my garden is like alright, but this is how I got mango dragon fruit. What is this called? Hold on, I forgot what this is called. Burning bud. Okay, how I got mango dragon fruit, burning bud, grape, dragon, did I say dragon fruit? Okay, I did. Hold on. Oh, and elder strawberry and pepper in one day, in like literally one night, in maybe like 3 hours, how I collected all the seeds for it. So yesterday when I was like making a tutorial, I only had like coconut. That was like my biggest plant and like I think the most expensive plant that I had. But now I got dragon fruit and grape and burning bud, elder strawberry, mango, and okay. Oh, and pepper. Okay. So how I got it is actually, I don't know if this is just pure luck, but I joined the server where you get like notified for like new seeds. So I didn't really open Grow a Garden that much. I actually used Discord for me to be notified. Like I actually didn't go back and forth to open this. Right now I think it's down, but it like notified me when there's like good seeds. I also got 2 eggs. Like one was I don't even know what it's called. Hold on. I think I got 1 legendary egg and 1 of the well, I got an ostrich and a squirrel yesterday as well. Let me check actually what it's called. Okay, I got the mythical egg and the paradise egg as well yesterday, and that was because I used the Grow a Garden notifier. But I think I also got lucky. I don't know, like I don't really play this game, and all of a sudden I got all these seeds in one whole day. And I'm especially like surprised I got burning bud. I know people rave about that. There was like lily too, but I was asleep. But so yeah, that's how I got all these seeds in just under 3 hours in Grow a Garden, and my garden now looks like this. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. I know this isn't really very helpful. This is just like if you're lucky maybe, but I'm never lucky, so obviously anyone can do this. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.